Hello, I'm Avon. I'm gonna review Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard from Dairy Queen. You see that? That's where I work. Just wanted to do a video, something different. This is the Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard. It's got sprinkles, confetti cookie dough pieces, and some like yellow squirt stuff. That's how we make it over there. I blended it myself. I wanna try it. It's pretty good. I like the sprinkles because they're crunchy. The cake batter in the ice cream actually tastes pretty good. It makes it taste like an actual piece of cake. Truthfully, I don't really like cake. I think cake is fucking gross. But cake batter always hits the spot. I think it's pretty fire. I give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. I made this. It's pretty good. You should get one.